work with retailers all around the world, right? What are the top 3 things that they're asking you for as far as capabilities that will help them in turn serve their better prepare their associates and then serve their customers?
Number one, what they want is the biggest challenge that we see right now is, the overhead RFID technology that's been in work for almost over a decade, right? And in fact, one could argue even for longer. There have been a lot of vendors working on that, but unfortunately, nobody's been able to, number one, operationalize it. Number two, have stores which are live with it, right? What that means, because it's a fairly complicated technology. You're talking about updates of inventory in every few minutes, and then you have to churn all of those millions of data points in real time, convert them into tasks. You have to convert them into, insights like merchandising, visual analytics, and stuff like that, right? So we're the first in the industry to be able to do that. So that's where most of the retailers are coming to us for, which is how do you work with overhead technology and how do you put it to use, right? And how do you get the ROI out of it, right? So that's the number one. The second that we're seeing as the biggest challenge is empowering your store associates and not making them get trained on 10 different technologies and having a single platform that stitches them all together. But of course, no retailer wants to start with 10 different functions, right? Every retailer wants to start small. They might want to start with getting their inventory right, and then maybe improving the customer experience, and then going into fitting room solutions and stuff like that, right? So it's a journey. The idea is to have a platform which is modular, and you can keep adding different capabilities on top of it as and when you go for different retailers. So yes, a well-stitched application which is scalable and modular, and you can start small and go big, is something what retailers are looking for. The third is, how do you create that wow customer experience for your walk-in customers as well as for your e-commerce customers, right? Because on the walk-in side, customers genuinely want that when I come to a store, I should be able to get what I want fairly quickly. And if it is not in the store, can you ship it to my home? Can you do all that different stuff? So what our technology helps achieve is we can do things like find the nearby store, see online, compare prices, and stuff like that, which is what customers are in reality doing when they come into the store. They would be opening, your website to see what the price is. They would, and if something is not available in the store, then try and figure out, if it is available in a nearby store. We stitch it all together in a single platform.